Yeah, good evening YouTube. Good evening YouTube. Welcome back to the garden again after heavy rainfalls. After heavy rainfalls of November, December. Yeah, it is early January, and then yeah, we have already started. We have already started planting in the gardens, but this time uh, we only have currently. We only have only two crops that we have transplanted and direct seeded, and that is butternuts. That is butternuts, as you can see here. That is butternuts, and then maize. That is butternuts and maize. That is butternut and maize, and then this one was transplanted about last week from the seed trays, and then when we transplanted this one, we had these gaps here remaining, and then we decided we'll just direct seed. And as you can see, we already have germination here and some weeds which we need to take care of, because I've learned the hard way not to let weeds grow. I don't know if you can see that side there. There's weeds everywhere, and then you can see how big they are. So I have learned the hard way not to let them grow, so I must soon take care of these ones here. So these are the only crops that we have growing in the garden at the moment. We do have some bambara beans, if you can remember, from last year, and then some of this maize here, and we have about four lines of butternuts. As you can see, I don't know if you can see, the spacing here is quite wide, about 2.5 meters in some areas, and 2 meters in some areas. And then in rows we have gone very close. We've gone very close actually in rows, because as you can see, this row here is about 2 meter. This is a 2 meter bed, as you can see. And then on the edges, the first line there, we've got butternuts, and the fifth line this side, we've got another butternuts. But then in between the four lines here, we've got maize. So yeah, this one I'm going to leave it like this, and then obviously these butternuts this side, I will drive them to the east, away from this maize in the middle. And then this one here, butternuts, I'm going to drive them west, away from the maize as well. So these ones will go the direction of the mangoes, and these ones here will go the directions of these ones here. As you can see, there's another ones here, and then these ones I will drive them to the direction of here, to the east, and then these ones also I will drive them to the east. Yeah, so in the middle of these two here, I'm not going to plant anything. I'm just going to leave this space for these ones, uh, for this row. I'm going to leave the space for this row. I'm going to leave the space for this row, and then let these butternuts just grow to my right. Yes, and then these ones, they will also grow to the right. Yeah, so this row and this row and this row, they will all grow to the right. It is only that one there that will grow to the left. And then I hope by the time these ones reach up to this maize, I will already have harvested it, and then there will be nothing here as well, and then there will be nothing here as well. And then this side I've got this about, I think it's about 20 or so peppers from last year. I will leave them, but this space, all this space, I will leave. And then I will have to take care of this weeds, because I have about all this space. I'll have to take care of it because I need to grow some crops here. I mean, if I'm going to leave all this space for butternuts mostly, it means I will need to take care of this space and then grow something else here, because already I have tomatoes that I've planted that I need to transplant in 3 weeks or so. So by then I must have taken care of at least half of this space here. So yeah, guys, that is basically it for the garden. I'm still going to plant your spinaches, your beetroots, your onions, yeah, and of course tomatoes. As I said, they are already there. And then I'm also going to plant some chilies, yeah. And I want to try my bele, man. I've got my bele growing in the seed trays. I just have to find a way, a space somewhere in the yard where I can put them. I think I'm going to have to clean uh, that area there. That area there, I think you can see as you head to the toilet there, there's maize there and lots of weeds there. I think I'm going to have to clear that area for that mabele. But yeah, I hope you guys are growing in your gardens. And for those who have been very, very unfortunate to be in the northern parts of our country, which is South Africa, those who are in Limpopo, our hearts are with you guys. We know that you have lost your crops due to this persistent rainfalls that you have been having there. Like I always say, man, rain is a blessing to the gardeners and farmers, but it can also be a curse. Yeah, so there's nothing we can do. It's nature. We we need rain. We need rain, and then if it is too much, really, there's nothing we can do about it. We just have to hope for the best. But unfortunately, guys, I've seen videos, I've seen pictures of you guys showing the devastation that you guys have endured because of this rain, and our hearts really goes to you. We are with you in these very, very difficult times that you are experiencing. Yeah, so good luck guys with your next cycle of cropping. Hopefully these rains will stop and then you can start working on your fields again. I mean, we also had to stop this side around November, December, because it was raining almost every day. That is why you see this huge weeds here. And then we've just restarted our gardening journey, and then we just hope for the best. So yeah, so that's it from us, guys. I think we'll see you in the next video. Thank you very much for staying with us.